Today we're going to explain why do we should plug the real cam cable on the Android system car radio, even if I don't need a real camera. Okay, and actually the real camera cable have combined the real cam input with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth cable together. No matter you need real cam or not, we highly recommend you plug this cable when you are doing the installation for our Android car radio. Otherwise, the signal for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will not easily caught. Okay, this plug is in the 10 pin and you just need to plug it, and the signal for the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth will be easily caught.